Hey all, in this quick tip I'm going to highlight the top ways I use Bommer, one of my favorite Fusion 360 apps. But before I get too far into that, let's look to see how to access this app and other amazing apps just like it. To start, I'll navigate to the store in the easiest way I know, directly from the add-ins dropdown. When I do, it'll take me to this site where the first page highlights Bommer and other featured apps that are well worth your time to get to know. While here, I'd like to note that Slicer for Fusion 360 is back up after a brief, but very noticeable hiatus. Anyway, when I find the app I'd like to try, I can open its page, select the OS, then you just need to download and install. The next time you open Fusion 360, the app should be running, but if not, you can start or stop apps from the scripts and add-ins available here, or by hitting Shift-S on your keyboard. Enough about that, let's talk Bommer, and let me count the top ways that I use it. First, and the reason I have this massive assembly open, is to do this. Demonstrate that by using Bommer we can quickly and easily create a flattened bill of materials for every part in mere seconds. First off, I'll visit the settings I'll be using. Here I can exclude or include parts, modify descriptions, and more. Once your preferred settings have been applied, you can go directly to exporting. No need to create a drawing first. I can do this as a flat or hierarchical. Toggle on any properties you wish, and even apply additional metadata here. Once we've made the changes we want, it's just a matter of exporting. Here you can see all 232 components in one Excel file. Next up are the table images. Here we have newly added flexibility to add whatever part we wish to this bill of materials. And once added, we have a full list of different parameters and metadata to include. The obvious addition here is quantity, but for this drawing I would also like the materials. We can also adjust the typeface, font size, row height, and width, and renumber the order as well. Once done, this creates an image we can insert into our drawing. But probably the reason I use Bommer most is to add parameters to parts faster than ever before. No more opening files just to add a part description. Now I can use the Bommer utilities to add a parameter in a GIF. And the best part about this is that you can even do it for referenced parts. Just make sure to select this button and it'll push those changes to the referenced part. But that's not all you can do with Bommer. Some folks use it to generate quick cut lists using the bounding box dimensions. You can use it for custom properties as a part for release workflow. Make sure to subscribe and like if that helped, and see one of these other helpful videos while you're at it.